Hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class once again. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. My dear students, today we will solve exercise 5th C. And topic is multiplication by a one digit number without carrying. But before it, we will see the solution of previous homework. So my dear students, in previous class I had given you to solve remaining question of question number 3, 4 and 5. So question number 3 is counting by. In these two questions, A and B. So A we had already solved in our previous class. So we had to solve B. 6 as write the numbers from 6 to 60. It means we have to find out the multiple of 6 and we have to write it from 6 to 60. So my dear students, tell me how we can find the multiples of given number. So it is very easy. We can find it by multiplying the counting number. Like firstly we will multiply with 1, 2, 3 and so on. So when we will multiply 6 with 1, we get 6. Next is 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. Next 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. Next is 6 multiplied by 5, so it will be 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7 are 42. 6 8 are 48. 6 9 are 54 and 6 10 are 60. So you can see I have written the multiples of 6 from 6 to 60. From 6 to 60. Okay. Number 4, write the question number 4, write the multiples of. So my dear students, we had already solved A and now we have to solve B. So write the multiples of 7 between 15 and 25. We have to write the multiples of 7, but multiples should be between 15 and 25. So when we will find out the multiples of 7, we will not include numbers less than 15. Okay. So when we will multiply 7 with 1, we get 7. Next 7 multiplied by 2, so 14. So we can see both are less than 50. So we will multiply 7 with 3. So 7 multiplied by 3, 21. Similarly, we will multiply with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. So it will be 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77. When we will multiply 7 with 11, we get 77. And when we will multiply 7 with 12, so we get 84. We can also multiply 7 with 13, but when we will multiply 7 with 13, we get 91. As we know, 13 multiplied by 7 or 13 sevens is 91. So we have to not write it because we have to write numbers between 15 and 25 and 91 will be more than 85. So we will write from 21 to 84. That is between 15 and 25. Okay. Next is question number 5. Solve these problems. In question number 5, we have to solve B. 6 boys, 3 toffees for each boy. Means कि यहाँ पे 6 boy हैं और उनके सभी के लिए 3 toffees हैं. Means 3 toffee every boy के लिए हैं. So how many toffees? So we will write as 6 multiplied by 3. So 6 3s are 18. Very easy. Next C. 8 bikes, 2 people on each bikes. How many people? Means कि 8 बाइक है और उन सभी 8 बाइक्स पे 2 पीपल ऑन ईच बाइक. एक बाइक 1 बाइक पे 2 पीपल हैं तो 8 बाइक पे कितने पीपल होंगे? सो 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2, 8 2 16. ओके. नेक्स्ट 5 गर्ल्स, 3 एप्पल्स फॉर ईच गर्ल्स. हाउ मैनी एप्पल्स? मीन्स 5 गर्ल्स हैं और 3 एप्पल हर एक गर्ल्स के लिए है. सो अगर एक गर्ल्स के लिए 3 एप्पल, सो 5 गर्ल्स के लिए, सो 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3. सो 5 3s are 15. नेक्स्ट E. 4 horses, 4 legs of each horse. How many legs? Means there is a 4 horse and 4 leg of each horse. 4 horse है और उन सभी मीन्स 4 हॉर्स के पास 4 लेग्स हैं. तो टोटल कितने लेग्स हुए? सो 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4 इज इक्वल टू 16. सो 4 4s are 16. Have 7 boats, 1 girl in each boat. How many girls? मीन्स कि 7 बोट्स हैं और 7 बोट में हर एक बोट में एक गर्ल है. हाउ मैनी गर्ल्स? तो टोटल कितनी गर्ल्स होंगी? So we will write as 7 multiplied by 1. So 7 1s are 7. So I hope you all have done your homework. So my dear students, now you should match your answer with this answer. Okay? Now I am going to start our today's topic. So our today's topic is multiplication by a 1-digit number without carrying. Okay, so we will understand it by solving a example. Example number first, multiply 24 by 2. So the first step will be, firstly we will write numbers one below another. Means कि in 24 is 2 and 4 at 1's place and 2 at 10's place. Okay, and 2 is 1's, so we will write it below 1's like this, and we will put sign of multiply. Okay, and now we will start multiplying. In multiply, firstly we will multiply with ones, and in next step we will multiply with tens. And a very important thing for multiplication, you should learn the table from 2 to 20, because without table you cannot solve multiplication. Okay, so you should learn it. So let us start our multiplication. Firstly we will multiply it with ones. So 2 4s are 8. Here we have to read table of 2. We have to read table of 2. So firstly we will multiply it with 4. So 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8. And we will write it under the ones, because we have multiply with ones, so we will write under the ones column. Okay, and now we will multiply it with tens. So 2 2s are 4, and now we will write it under the tens column. Okay, so you can see the answer is 48. Let us look one more example. Example number 2. Find 123 multiply by 3. Means we have to find the product of 123 multiply by 3. So let us solve this example. So firstly we will write numbers one below another like this. 123. 3 at ones place, 2 at tens place, and 1 at 100 place. And where we will write 3? So we will write 3 under the ones like this, and we will put sign of multiplication. And now we will start multiplying with 1. So my dear students, tell me table of 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So we will write 9 under the ones column. And now we will multiply 3 with 2. 3 2s are 6. So we will write it under the tens column. 3 2s are 6. And in next step we will multiply 3 with 1. Okay, so 3 1s are 3. So you can see we get 369. मीन्स कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हम क्या करते हैं, पहले तो हम नंबर्स को वंस के नीचे वंस को, अगर यहाँ पे वन नंबर और होता तो उसके नीचे टेंस के नीचे लिखते. सो यहाँ पे एक सिंगल है तो ये वंस है, इसलिए हम वंस के नीचे वंस को राइट करेंगे. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने राइट किया 123 और उसके नीचे 3 को, और मल्टीपल का साइन पुट किया. उसके बाद हम मल्टीप्लाई करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो मल्टीप्लाई करते वक्त हम सबसे पहले 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर 10 से, फिर 100 से, और अगर आगे 1000 होगा तो 1000 से. ओके, तो मल्टीप्लाई करने का मतलब कि हम यहाँ पे टेबल रीड करेंगे इस नंबर का, जिससे भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे उतने टाइम्स हम टेबल रीड करेंगे. तो हम पहले 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 3 3s are 9. यहाँ हम 3 का टेबल 3 टाइम्स रीड करेंगे. 3 3s are 9. अब हम टेंस प्लेस के नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 3 2s are 6. मीन्स 3 का टेबल 2 टाइम्स पढ़ेंगे. 3 2s are 6. ओके, और फिर अब जब हम 100 प्लेस के नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 100 प्लेस पे 1 है, तो हम इसका 3 का टेबल 1 टाइम पढ़ेंगे. तो 3 1s are 3. तो इस तरह हमें आंसर क्या मिला, 369. I hope you have understood how we will multiply, okay, any number with the one digit number without carrying. So now we will solve our exercise 5th C. Okay, so let us solve. Multiply. In first we have to multiply 11 with 5. Okay, so what I have taught you in multiplication, firstly we will multiply it with ones, and now we have to multiply 5 with 1. So we will read the table of 5 1 times. So 5 1s are 5. We will write here under the ones, and now we will multiply it with tens place number. So again here 1. So 5 1s are 5. So we will write under the tens. Okay, so we get 55. It means 11 multiplied by 5 is equal to 55. Okay, now see question number 5. Here we have to multiply 201 with 4. Okay, so we will start multiplying with ones place number. So now we will read table of 4 1 times. 4 ones are 4. Now we will multiply with tens place number. So 4 zeros are 0. As I taught you in previous class, when we will multiply 0 with any number or any number with 0, so then we get 0 in answer. We get always 0. मीन्स कि हम अगर किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं या 0 को किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें हमेशा 0 ही रिजल्ट मिलता है. So same rule will be applied here. So 4 zeros are 0. Okay, and now we will multiply 4 with 100 place number. So this is 2. So 4 2s are 8. मीन्स कि हमें यहाँ पे 4 का टेबल 2 टाइम्स रीड करना है, तो 4 2s are 8. Okay, so we get 804. Now look at 9. Here you can see 4 digit numbers. Here we have to multiply 4 digit number with 1 digit number. Okay, this is same as previous. Means in this firstly we will multiply with ones, then tens, then 100 and then 1000 place number. Okay, so let us multiply. Here we have to read the table of 2 firstly 1 time. So 2 1 जा 2. ओके, हमने 1 प्लेस के नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया इसलिए वंस के नीचे राइट करेंगे. एंड नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ टेंस प्लेस नंबर. सो 2 2 जा 4. तो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया इसलिए टेंस कॉलम के नीचे राइट करेंगे. एंड नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ 100 प्लेस नंबर्स. सो 2 4 जा 8 एंड we will write under the 100 column. Okay, so 2 4 ja 8. So we will write 8 under the 100 column. And now we will multiply with 1000 place number. So this is 3. So 2 3s are 6. So we will write 6 under the 1000 column. Okay, मीन्स कि हम जिससे भी मल्टीप्लाई, अगर हम 1 प्लेस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वंस के नीचे राइट करेंगे. टेंस प्लेस के नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो टेंस कॉलम के नीचे राइट करेंगे. 100 प्लेस के नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 100 कॉलम के नीचे राइट करेंगे. और 1000 प्लेस के नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 1000 कॉलम के नीचे राइट करेंगे. ओके, सो I hope you all have understood it, and now you can solve this type of question. I mean, you can solve this multiply. So this is your homework time, and for today your homework is you have to solve remaining question of exercise 5th C. मीन्स कि ये जो remaining question है 2 3 4 6 7 8 10 11 12. Okay, so these question you have to solve. Okay, so and one important thing that you have to make your notes also. So in your notebook you have to write only 5 question. Okay, मीन्स इसमें अगर 12 है तो इनमें से केवल 5 को आपको अपनी नोटबुक में राइट करना है. Okay, so thank you and God bless you my dear students. Be good and safe.